Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Sherry Vans. I've got a really clean trade-in if you're looking for an affordable mobility van. It's a 2010 Chrysler Town & Country, which was Chrysler's top model in minivans for that year. It's been outfitted with the VMI North Star conversion, which is the in-floor power ramp. It's got the lowered floor to also allow for the 56 and some odd inches for clearance height for ADA. It is well set up, drives out really good, has under 64,000 miles, and really a nice color, nice driving van. Let's go ahead and start with the mobility. I put my tape measure down here to the width of the ramp. You can see it's just over 29 inches wide. So for those of you who are looking for a measurement, nice gentle approach to the ramp, so it's going to be easy to get your wheelchair in and out or scooter in and out. Has power door and power ramp. I'll show you that all in a second. Carpeted floor, shows a little staining on the carpet, but it's kind of to be expected. Seats are in great condition. You can seat 3 back here in the back, and I'll go ahead and take a seat back here and take a look up here. So it has the removable driver and passenger seat. Those can be removed and they can just literally be wheeled right out of the ramp. The reason for that is if the person in the wheelchair wants to sit up front here, there is securements down in the floor just as there is in the back here for that purpose. So that's a really nice feature. And even if the person wants to drive, there again is securements down in the floor. Now there is a easy lock system in here. If you're unfamiliar with that is, just Google it for wheelchair securement. It is loosely placed underneath the driver's seat, but that can be placed here in the center or in the passenger or the driver. And again, it's not 100% installed. The last customer had it installed, I believe, underneath the driver's seat, but it's loosely placed right now. We have heating and air conditioning controls back here for the rear passengers. And let's go ahead and show you a little bit of here. You can see the quick disconnect there for the wiring of the seats. It's on both sides. And let's go ahead and hop out here and let's show you the operation of this. I'm just going to use the keyless entry, which you hit this button twice here for the power door to work, and watch as the ramp comes in and the door comes closed. Ramp's coming in. See how it goes right into the floor there? Let me get a little bit better angle here. And once the ramp is all the way in, then the door will proceed closed. And all I had to do was hit this button twice. There's a couple other ways you can do it inside the van. You can even pull on the door handle there. It'll open up the door. So I just hit it twice again, and the door is going to open all the way, and then the ramp's going to come out. You can see a little bit better from this angle here how that ramp comes out. There we go. Really slick, huh? All right, I'm going to button it up. Grab my tape measure so I don't leave it here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the van. I love this blue on it. Got power lift gate as well. You can also do that with the keyless entry. Has window wiper and electronic defrosting back there for that. It's got all 4 tie downs. 2 of them are in the floor in there, and 2 of them are back here for your securement to keep your wheelchair tied down on all 4 corners. You can lower the lift gate pushing this button right here, or using the keyless entry. It also has power door on the driver's side. It works out really nice. Small door ding in the door there, but nothing major. All around this van shows really nice. Front end looks good. A couple little small scuffs in the front bumper here. Again, nothing major. Never been in an accident according to the auto check, and has a clean title history. So if you're shopping around for pre-owned mobility vans, just be aware of that. A lot of pre-owned mobility vans are converted from vehicles that have a salvage title. So just be cautious of that. If you see a deal too good to be true, check the auto check or Carfax and see. This one's got a clear auto check. I was thinking I didn't print it up, but I did. These are always important to buy, or always important to look at. We post these on our website. Just look for the auto check emblem on our website. Tells you if the title has any issues. This doesn't. No past accidents, no past insurance issues, no past odometer issues. So it really checks out well. All right, let's go ahead and get it started. This is the easy lock system down here. And I just turn it on silent, so we're not using that. Got 63,456 miles, no warning lights on the dash, runs out excellent. power windows, mirrors, locks, headlight control, cruise control. Radio control has AM and FM radio and CD player. Analog display there. Is that right? Did I say that? Yeah, analog. Yep. I always get that and digital mixed up. That's analog. We got heat and air conditioning controls, and then your rear heat and air conditioning controls here. Pull out beverage tray. Really a nice clean van. Look, little mirror so you can check out what's going on in the back. It doubles as a sunglass hut. Then you have your power door controls and power lift gate control. Again, if you're looking for a nice pre-owned side entry minivan, these never last long when they come in on trade. They're hard to find. Like I said, a lot of them have had salvage title issues in the pre-owned minivan world. So if you're looking for a really good deal on one, give us a call. Make sure this is still available. Drives out really good. Ramp functions just fine. So thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Take care.